Palog. Libre, ako na yan. Din ang distance. Okay na yan.
Okay, asan na? Saan ang elevator? Yan mismo? Okay. Akala ko may ibang elevator. Alright, doon muna tayo sa 507. Mga gamit ko. Cheat! Kailangan nag-ano yan eh.
Kanina tayo hinihintay. Sana.
Natext mo na ba itong room number?
Sa kayo bukas.
Mag-usalimin dito sa window. Yan. Mas maganda yan.
Ang one more ma. This time parang nakaupo ka na. Yan. Ang tingin mo sa right shoulder. Right shoulder lang. Tingin mo. That's it. That's good. That's good. Sama natin si...
Yan. Masabi mo. Sagutin mo.
Ikaw lang. Usap kayo.
Room 507. Asan na po kayo? Opo. Lahat. Opo. Pero hindi ko pa po alam kung sino talaga. Thank you. Mali ka natin.
Sir, look. Ano ba? Look. Yan. Ganda. Ayan ha. Lean forward lang.
Lean forward. Yan.
That's good. Smile.
Asan ba si Kuya?
Another post.
Yung para bang actual shooting.
Behind the scene.
Pwedeng dito.
Tama para tamaan liwanag. Para mas maganda yung mga tama.
Yan, tama yan. Tama yan. Sir, medyo isang parang naka-up-gin mo. Ganda. Tama na lighting ha. Isa pa sir ha. Guys, sa 8th floor ha? Okay lang?
Sige, sige.
Maganda kasi ron eh ha? Di para change location.
Nakulan sila.
8th floor. 8th floor. Maganda.
Sayang hindi naka-upload.
Lahat sa dyan. Mas maganda yung may siya. Tama po yan.
Ganda, di ba? Okay na ha? Kamay mo. Parang sa ulo niya. Sa ulo na ginagin. Yan, tama yan. Ito sir ha? Yung tama sir, pinky kay ma'am. Ganda, tingnan. Ganda sa. Sir.
Yung ibig talagang provide mo talaga sila ha? Ha? Hello. Kanina ka ganyan nila lang, tinatakpan ako. Tapos eto pa.
Ay, yun ha? Dito na yun. Ma'am, Marisa.
Marisa, dito.
Ay, kayo. Okay. Kaya na. Alright. Yan. Kasi na. Here. Okay. Fine. Okay. Anan.
Kung baka, matatama ako.
Oo.
Ganun ba yun?
Yun o. Lower lang. Okay. Yun o. Okay.
Ganda mo. Ang ganda mo rin.
Ay, sama na sila. Sino ba pwede?
Okay, sino ba?
Join kayo. Para maganda.
Ma-picture na. Halika, sama kayo. Sama na kayo. Ate, halika. Anong oras? Pare.
Sama.
Sige. Sama ka na. Kayo muna.
Closer pa nga, closer.
Ulit na kayo, dali. Okay lang,
Sige.
silapunan mo. Ako yung mag-adjust ng heading, okay?
Sir, ganun lang konti. Yan, ma'am. Yan. Sige ha. Smile lang. Backward lang. Okay, smile lang ha. Okay. Ma'am,
Okay.
one last. Para tayo nasa gubat din, di ba? May walaman. Panalo. Di ba, ma'am ha? Shooting ha. Saba. Ano maganda? Pwede rin ha. Sa kanya lang, please. Sa kanya lang.
Sa akin ulit kang
Ma'am,
tingin.
sa kanya lang ha. Sa kanya lang ha. Sige lang ha. Ma'am, look at each other nga. Kayong dalawa. Tingin na. Sir, medyo side face mo lang. Sa cheek lang. Kiss mo lang siya. Yan, madrama lang. Ganda.
Pag sa tingin kayo dito sa labas. Say closer. Yan, look lang ito. Yan, tama po yan. Yan lang. Yes. Tama po. Yes, that's it. Ang ganda. Nice.
Tayo na ba? Tayo na ba tayo?
Yes. Thank you. I love it.
O, tara.
Yan, tama yan. Tapos medyo ganun na ulit. Isa na. Yung tulig na mati. Yan, mag-pause kita. Tama yan. Sandali lang. Yan. Pili pang video.
Kasi hindi ko contact eh.
Sige, anong kukunin natin?
Sila, yung mga nandoon, ay fourth floor ba?
Ako na susundo.
Sunduin
Si
mo
diretso na kaya, ako na ba?
Oo, pero yung
Papalak ko
kasi,
yun?
sige.
Para diretso na kaya. Ilalak na lang yun.
Opo. Proceed to the fourth house.
Sama ka? Okay, one.
Kapbati lang.
Takbadi lang.
Okay lang.
Okay, one, two.
Talagang ng sister ko, wala talagang bukas. Sister, ang ganda mo. Sobra.
First time ako nagpatahin.
Uy!
Para
Sino
sa'yo.
ka?
Then,
Sabay-sabay na tayo.
Ayun, dalawa din natin ito. Risa.
Nasa kwarto tayo.
kung gagawin mo dyan, ay
Tapos
dress
na
na.
kami dito.
Hindi, gamit ka.
Ay, sana lang.
Sinabi niya na uuwi ako.
Yan.
Ganyan na.
Bigyan mo rin siya. Sabi naman hindi, ano yung ano. Pahingi na rin ng ano mo. May ano ka. Spray. Yung bag ko, na kay Chini. Pangin ko ha. Okay. Sis, thank you. Yung susi, nandoon sa loob ng bag. Dito lang. Look at you.
Congratulations.
Tingnan mo nga naman. Tingnan mo ano. Ang bilis na pala. Twin sister. Coming from Singapore. Ayun.
Sis, teka wait lang. Mag-arap dito. Harap ang mag-asawa.
This is Marisa. My
Marisa.
sister, my twin sister. My
The
boss.
advisor. Marisa Sanchez?
Marisa Lim.
Alright. Finally.
Kuya, please lang. Sa camera. Talagang for good na yung sister ko.
For good na. Ah, talaga? Diba?
20 years old.
Yes!
That's nice. I sorry.
That's supposed to be. Ika. Ayan, dito. Ito ang pinaka-producer, director, movie writer yan.
kompleto na ako ng tinan ko.
Oh, so ibig sabihin ko nun. Kailangan para. Di ba? Eh, siguro ako nakikinig ako magpa-sexy. Ang bag ko dahil ito kay nanay, binigay na ba yung susi sa kanila? Sa kanila, sino ba nangangailangan ng susi? Retouch muna ako. Saglit lang ha, bago kami magpara-parada, mag-retouch muna ako. Yan na naman sa mami ko. Ito ang ako. Yan. Bago mag-retouch muna ako.
Retouch mo na ako. Retouch mo na ako.
Tingnan mo na yun, yan ang aking nawawala ng twin sister. So, isang witness ko na Oo, yung mami mo, pakilala mo. Mami, pakilala kita sa mami mo.
Ayun din po.
Same birthday. Pictures in her Facebook that really look like me when she was really bold and like Mystica. Si Rod, my goodness, it's been a long time. This guy has been writing for me before. Diba? O Juby de Guzman. Tignan mo. O, diba?
Kailangan niyo pong tulong, madam.
So, kasi meron po kasing mga signs lately na nagpakita sa akin na parang it's really a calling of God. So, I decided na this is it. I have to do it now. Kasi baka mama it's too late. Kasi alam niyo po na lately meron na po yung mga nangyayari na bigla na lang na of course may nagkakasakit. Katulad po ng dati yung ama po ng anak ko, and then I was able to heal him as well. And then lately may mga pangyayari na para bang I almost lost him too. Opo, yun yung mga signs na yon kasi may humarang sa kanila. And then, kaya sabi ko, before it's too late, we may as well get married. And then, of course, may mga pangyayari din na nabangungot ako, and then all of a sudden nakita ko truth, yung para bang it's a real calling from God. So, para sa akin po, kailangan talagang I have to I have to get rid of that Mystica image that I used to have before. Para bang I have to come back. Yung reality na talaga, yung Ruby, no longer Mystica. Of course, in showbiz, I still need my name because doon po ako nakilala. Pero as a person, I'd rather go back to the reality na talaga, that this is me. So, nakafocus na po ako ngayon into spiritual, motivational, at saka environmental. Since ako po ngayon ay isang managing director po ng Better Globe, and of course with my boss, which is Mr. Rino Solberg. Can I have him please? Because of him, siya po talaga ang, he's actually the reason he became my inspiration to be a motivational speaker as well. You know, so instead of entertaining people, with my, with my image before as Mystica, I can entertain people through my motivational, inspirational, and at the same time, my environmental advocacy.
Ano po yung pinaghuhugutan ninyo, no, para mag-motivational speaking sa mga tao?
Well, ever since po kasi, when he came to the Philippines and he was actually looking for the right person to be their managing director here in the Philippines. So, of course, they had to go through the internet and they found out that Mystica is actually the right person for them. But of course, before I can be the one, and they had to, they had to give me personal assessment test, 8 pages. So, katakot-takot po yung pinagdaanan ko. And he is actually the person who can actually tell you what happened and why I became like this.
Okay. That is another story
Yes.
that we'll talk about later.
Yes.
But first of all, can you tell us kung paano nagsimula ang love story ng dalawa ni Kid?
It was actually last week, September po, noong Edwin Dulfo and Donnie Tan, actually, they asked me to search for a group, like a male group, parang Masculados type of group. So when I posted sa mga, sa internet, and of course Facebook, and then all of a sudden, this guy came over. Pero of course, I didn't really expect na ganito po ang talagang puntahan ng aming relationship, because everybody was actually dealing with me. They were treating me as a mother or whatever, because he was 22 and now he just turned 23 and I was 44 and I just turned 45 also. So para bang with that gap na talagang half my age, I would never expect that I would be able to fall in love with someone like him. Pero siguro dahil probably yung sinatawag na talagang it was really fate, di ba? Talagang tadhana ang nakapag-ano sa amin, nakapag-tulak ko sa amin to be together. And of course, with that long period of time that we've been living together, so I thought na that was good enough for us to know each other. And of course, with his family and with my family, with my mom as well. Of course, at first, I was really hesitant na ano sa kanila, because for me, I was so scared na everybody would be judging us, especially with my age, and of course with my boss. My boss was actually the first one who was really not in favor at that point. And the truth is, marami talaga ako pinagdaanan. Maraming hinanakit or whatever, because for me, sabi ko, bakit age ang batayan ba talaga para and then is that really the reason why everybody has to judge me? And of course with my boss as well, this is not just a para bang my position being the managing director, hindi ito this is a very serious position that of course if you go there and then having all these people looking at him and looking at me, para bang number one talaga, i-judge talaga. But I was so brave enough to really face the truth that kahit anong sabihin po ng tao sa akin, I really had to fight for it. At ipinaglaban ko. As a matter of fact, I almost lost my job. And I just said, if that would be the case that you're gonna fire me, or if this is gonna be the reason why you're going to get rid of me as the managing director in the Philippines, and then be it. Maybe it wasn't for me to be with your company. But then all of a sudden, he came to his senses that, hey, this is reality, because he just thought that I just got somebody else out from the street. And all of a sudden, here he is. So I had to prove him na kahit saang pamilya siya nanggaling, kahit ano pa yung level ng kanyang lifestyle, or kung i-compare ko sa lifestyle ko ngayon, para sa akin hindi naman to talaga doon na naibabase kung talagang kami ay para sa isa't isa, kundi if the heart and the timing talaga nagkatugma talaga, kahit gano'n po yung age namin, age gap, and then for me, that is not yung basis para kami
Edwin, ikaw ba naniniwala na tadhana talaga yung nagdikta kung bakit kayong nagkakatuluyan kayong dalawa ni Miss?
Kasi po nung una po nung nag-audition po ako sa kanya, hindi ko rin po akalain na gano'n po na papasok po sa ganung relation po sa akin. Kasi po nung araw na po na yun, uuwi na po sana ako, pero hindi po siya nagpaalam ng personal sa ng office. Tapos, hindi po niya ako tinawag dito. Kasi sabi naman niya, marado siyang kasama sa kwarto niya.
Yeah, actually, it all started with a joke. Oo, kasi lahat po noon, lahat sila nagpaalam personally sa aking office. And then he was the only one. Sabi ko, bakit kayo? Ito hindi nagpaalam. Yung pala, sa Facebook lang siya nagpaalam, sa labas pa sa computer. So since kakaiba ito, tahimik, talagang mahiyain. So para ba, sige nga. And then, nag-answer ako sa Facebook, sinabi ko, no, hindi ka pwedeng umuwi, wala akong kadabi. Parang gano'n, it always started with a joke. And then, so para sa kanya, para bang, with all due respect, sabi niya, talaga po mami, ayaw niyo talaga akong pauwiin. Sabi, kung gusto niyo, samahan ko po kayo. So, it all started like that. Pero of course, andun pa rin po yung respeto.
Okay, so paano kayo na-develop? Paano na-develop yung
O, ikaw na magsabi. Okay, of course, at first, hindi naman siya yung tao na talagang he took advantage the fact na na si Mystica, ayun, sabi niya na doon siya at wala akong katabi. He didn't take advantage of that. Alam niya talaga na andun pa rin yung respeto, andun pa rin yung treatment namin na, because by that time I was really treating him as my own son and he was treating me as his own mother. So siguro hanggang sa na-develop na talaga, kasi pinakita naman talaga niya yung kanyang sincerity. Kasi by the time sabi ko, I want to meet your family kasi I don't want to go in a relationship na baka mamaya meron kang pananagutan, meron kang anak, meron kang pamilya or whatever, may mga asawa, mga girlfriends somewhere. So ako naman, hindi po ako talaga basta-basta na lang para bang sisisid sa isang na, of course, kailangan ko muna, ito ba something na it will really, ito ba something na kaya kong languyin, baka mamaya malulunod pala ako, ganun, di ba? So, I wanted to make sure na I would be safe.
Kid, paano ka na-develop? Paano manaramdaman na, uy, nai-inlove ka pala? Niligawan mo ba siya? Ano mo siya niligawan?
Accidente lang po yun.
Ano?
Kasi po yun nga po, yung nag-audition nga po sa kanya. Tapos, nung nag-start na po yun na hindi na niya pinauwi, hanggang sa tuloy-tuloy na po yun. Hinahanap na nga ako sa amin yun, pero pinakita ko sa kanya talaga na
hindi na po siya umuwi. Hindi na po talaga siya umuwi.
In love na.
Opo, guys, sabi ko, no, ayoko magkamali kasi baka mamaya hinahanap ka na ng family mo. Kasi minsan ayaw na po niyang umuwi. Baka naman nahihiya ka lang. Siguro nahihirapan ka lang na mapahiya ko. Kaya hindi ka umuwi. Pero he was really so sincere. Sabi niya, hindi ko kailangan. Sabi ko, may mga barkada ka for sure. May mga kaibigan ka. I'm sure na mamimiss mo rin sila. Go ahead. I just wanted to make him feel na free din po siya. Ayoko yung feeling niya sinasakal ko. Pero he has really proven to me na talagang ako lang talaga po. And he was really happy with me.
Ano talaga yung nakapag-in-love sa'yo? Bakit sobrang na-in-love ka kay Mystic?
siguro po yung sa ugali po. Kaya doon po ako nakapalag sa kanya.
Ano ba ugali ko?
Kamahal. Sobrang bait niya po sa akin kahit niloloko ko siya. Kaya pinapakita ko sa kanya.
Hindi niloloko dahil sa babae, ha? No, we have fun. Yeah, we joke it with each other. So, para sa akin kasi, of course, at his age, kailang i-level ko rin sometimes yung age ko. And then, kung alam naman niya talaga na kailang i-level din niya sa level ng age ko, he has to. So, parang give and take, ganun po ang nangyayari sa amin. And that's the reason why it really lasted.
Okay. So, anong sabi ng parents mo? Nalaman nila na magpapakasal na kayo ni Mystic?
Hindi naman po nagulat. Kasi sinabi naman po na tapos in-invite po namin.
Nandito
naman po sila, nandun po sila sa back.
Okay. And anong sabi ng mga anak mo? How did you tell them that you're getting married?
Well, I talked to my son, that was 2 weeks ago po. And then, nung sinabi ko po sa kanya na, alam mo ba anak, na yung mapapangasawa ko ngayon, he is actually younger than you because my son is actually 26 and is 22. So sabi niya, ma, kung ano man po ikaliligay ko na rin po. So he was so sweet to tell me that. And of course, my mom right there, for her, I mean, nasa ng mami ko, for her, it is really something na para bang, of course, being a mom, all she wanted is to protect me. Kasi, alam niyo, nagkaroon ako mga relationship in the past, and of course, laging umiyak ang mami ko. So, if possible talaga, sabi niya, sana ito na yon, sana hindi na talaga mag-change yung ano. And this is my sister, halika sister, etong may twin sister.
So, paano naman yung concept mo naman dito napaka...
May plans ka ba kayong magkabigyan?
Dito ka na lang, sis. Sige. Ito, twin sister ko to, ha? She just came from Singapore. Alright.
May plans ba kayong magka-baby?
Well, I have to look at my boss. Of course, I mean, I have a big responsibility to my boss, right? But of course, on my age, I mean, it would be so unfair to him. I'm telling you the truth right now. It would be so unfair to him na hindi ko siya mabigyan ng anak, di po ba? Because a man always have a dream na magkaroon din ano, di ba? So, just the fact na he was really in love with me, and then sabi ko, paano kung hindi na ako magkakaanak at my age, di ba? I just turned 45. So, sabi naman niya, kung yun talaga nakatadhana wala tayong anak and be it, and kung ano talaga yung ano, pwede naman na nating planuhin talaga eh. At kung sakaling nangyari na, if we ever happen to have a baby later on, eh siguro yun po ay coming from God.
So, ikaw ba gusto mong magka-baby?
Yung po yung nakatasya.
Gusto daw niya lalaki muna. Lalaki daw muna and then babae. So kahit dalawa daw, ay open na.
Okay. So, alam mo naman ng mga Pilipino, judge ka, ay, ano ba yan? May December fair. Missika is already 45 and is 23. Are you ready for dun sa mga ganun-ganun?
Well, bago po namin plinano to. Actually, hindi nga naplano po ito eh. Para bang nung una po kay Pastor Sarko, akala namin siya lang po eh. Tapos si Judge Bravo, akala namin that would be it eh. And then later on, nung sinabi na namin, alam mo, sweetheart, siguro kahit hindi tayo handa, I mean, kung ito talaga, this is the timing na, I mean, why can't we just do it right? Kasi minsan lang naman po ito sa buhay namin. Kahit ano na pong sabihin nila, and we don't really care. What matters is, we are together and we're both happy. Diba? Sister?
Yes! Yes!
Ikaw, Ian, handa ka ba yung mga sabihin ng mga tao na mga bata pa, pinakasalan, mas matanda?
Wala naman po. Kasi hindi naman po sa edad ko yung pinapase. Parang talagang nagmamahal na kayo.
Paano mo pinu-prove sa kanya na talagang
Kaya paano ko naman sa sarili ko sa kanya talaga. Sinasabi niya na nag-dictate ka na niya sa akin. Kahit di ako nag-work lang sa ano. Pinapakita ko naman sa kanya na hindi ako nag-alap at siya ito. So doon lang po talaga sa bahay.
Sa bahay lang talaga. It's either sa bahay, workout,
Hindi ba meron kang hindi mo?
Yes po, ayun. Actually, we were actually talagang kasagsagan na ng pag-ano namin, pag-shoot namin. As a matter of fact, ready, I mean, we have already showed them on TV sa PTV4 kasi meron po akong pinoproduce na PTV4 ko po every Thursday, 7 to 8 p.m. As a matter of fact, we already finished 12 episodes. So, ngayon, about 4 weeks ago, I just realized na this is it. Stop na natin yung movie kasi bold yun eh. Nag-bold siya, nag-bold din ako doon. So sabi ko, this is not right. And that was the time na naginip talaga ako na, oh my God, may mga kumukuha na sa akin. Eh malay mo yung mga puti na yun, eh yung pala nagbabalat kayo lang mga yun, di ba? I didn't know if where I would be. Kung sakaling iginip ako na po yung sarili ko. And then yun nga po, yung susunod na it was a big pit. Yung big yung butas na, it was a hole talaga na, it was ang dilim-dilim, it was so dark. Sabi ko, my God, this is it. And then yung pangatlo, when it came to me talaga, truth na nasa heaven, as a matter of fact, nung umuwi siya, sabi ko, halika dito, sabi ko, may nangyayari na sa akin dito talaga. He really rushed to come home. And then while I was telling him the story, pag ganun ko, yung sabi ko, sa langit nakita ng truth! And then biglang sumabog talaga yung ceiling, yung light ng ceiling. Sabay ko yung pagsabi ko, truth! Kaya sabi ko, this is a calling. I really have to stop it.
So, ikaw, Kate, hindi ka na mag-ayos.
Hindi ko naman po talaga bala po yun. Bala ko lang po yung magkaroon na hindi niya po yung may grupo lang. Parang wala akong magawa.
And since meron naman po akong sariling PTV4 na movie anime, I mean, we are reenacting naman eh. As a matter of fact, kung yung mga tao kasi, they are texting me about their problems, about their story, about their spiritual, na kailangan din nilang guidance, may kanya-kanyang problem, family or what. So, siya pa rin pong magre-reenact, and plus my mystical celebrity talents, itutuloy ko pa rin yung pagiging ko. Pero pipiliin ko na lang po. Depende kasi sa tema ng story. Hindi na po yung bold, hindi na po yung talaga makamundong mga kundi we could use our talents in other ways na talagang it would be educational na may moral values.
Okay, so bilang pangbukas, meron ba kayong mensahe ngayong araw kasaling sa birthday special?
Let's just go sa bundok, magtanim na lang tayo. environmental naman. Wala na pag-usap.
Hindi, ako sa hindi. Hindi ko muna
commitment in work. So I'm all for it. They have my blessings.
Okay, so any message for the club?
Well, the message is obviously that this is just the beginning of a new life, and I hope that they can adjust to each other and do the best so both of them can benefit from this marriage and have a pleasant life ahead.
Are you one of the Nino?
Actually, he's the one who's going to give us inspirational messages.
Okay, so thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Salamat po. Mother po. Si Mr. Moore. Mr. Moore. Moore, sa kabila. Dito ka. Diyan ka pare.
Why don't you sing a song for us while we are waiting?
Alam na naman sabi ko, ang gusto ko sa lalaki. It doesn't match. Asan na si Chini? Chini? Where is Chini? Timpo. Dito siya. Ha? Ilagay dito sa tabi ni ano. Ilagay dito. Asan ka si Chini Daria sa kabila din? Dalawang Chini.
Judy de Guzman, of course, with Marlon.
Marlon Villaros.
皆様、ようこそいらっしゃいませ。
はい。
はい。
ちょっと忘れた。
はい。This is a very special moment with Ruby and Edwin, of course, right here at Aberdeen Fort.
Yes, we're gonna witness the very important event of their life.
Yeah. Pwede po bang tawagan natin ang mga parents? Dito po kasi sila tatayo. Okay, yung mga witness po sa bandang likod, ang parents po nasa harap. Ayan. Para po ma-recognize. Ayan.
Actually, po kasama ko si Jovi.
Ito po tayo ngayong araw nito. Salamat din sa mga magulang, sa buong pamilya ng both side. Salamat din Marlon sa mga bisitang narito. At lalo-lalo na sa mga network na talagang binigyan nila ng panahon at oras si Ruby at Edwin para saksihan ang napakagandang celebration na to. I mean, this is a lifetime celebration.
Once in a lifetime.
Once in a lifetime.
Hindi na namin kung sa inyo yung
start with. This is the wedding ceremony, preludes, scriptural meditation celebration song. This is the day by Queenie Romo. Take it away.
Rising sun, you are here by my side. You are more than a dream come true. Oh, to have you, to hold you, to love you, to pray, to share with, to care with, to hold hands. rejoice. I will rejoice. I will rejoice with you. This is the love that the Lord hath made. You and I, we are one. Love's mystery is unfolding today, written for us in the Son. Oh, for better, for worse, for rich or for poor, each day that passes will I love you more. This is the day that the Lord has made, and I will rejoice. I will rejoice. I will rejoice with you. This is the day. This is the day.
This wedding will be led by Pastor Dick Sarko, call to the celebration and invocation.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are here to recite God and in the presence of these people to join together Edwin and Mystica, Rubin and Arianin in holy matrimony, which is an honorable state instituted by God. It is therefore not to be entered into inadvisedly, but reverently, discreetly, and in the fear of God. Into this holy state, these two persons come now to get joined. Now, we will rise up for an invocation. Our loving Father in heaven, with humble hearts, we acknowledge your presence for throughout this occasion. Your gracious presence, manifested by the Holy Spirit, is what we are longing and looking for, the reality and success of this wedding service intended for Edwin and Robin. Thank you for being with us for throughout this service in Jesus' name. Amen.
Get familiar.
Kain mo ng dalawa, kain mo ng dalawa. Okay, kain mo ng dalawa, diretso lang, diretso lang. Sige lang. Kasi na, okay naman.
Pwede po kasi yung pwede, sir.
Okay, ngayong mga kaibigan, nagaganap po ang processional mula dito sa ating mga abay at syempre, natabayanan po natin ang dalawang kakasal.
I believe that a miracle has come when God sends the perfect love. Now gonna all my questions about heart. And I've never been so sure of anything in my life. Oh, I wonder what God is thinking when He created you. Wonder if He knew everything I would need. Does He made all my dreams come true? When God made you, must have been thinking about me.
Best for Edwin. I'm very happy to be here to attend your wedding today. And this is my first wedding in the Philippines. So I'm happy that I could come all the way from Norway to attend it. Now this is a big step for you to forward into the rest of your life. And I would like to take the opportunity to use something that I have been using in my own private life for quite a long time, and that is to quote Luke 6:38. It says that give, and it should be given to you. And I think that that is very convenient to use in a marriage, because you are going into life together, and unless you commit yourself to give of yourself to the other person, you will never succeed in a marriage. And when we're talking about giving, it's of course starting with love. You have to give love in order to get love. You have to give respect in order to get respect. You have to give pleasure to the other one in order to get pleasure. It all starts with giving and continue to give until the rest of your life has passed. If you can follow that simple message in Luke 6:38, you will be happy for the rest of your life. I will also, since I have been married myself for 35 years, I think I have some experience in the marriage life. And I have also written a book called How to Stay in Love for Life. And I will also give you a little hint on how you can do that. And that is to start today and decide here today Because most people, they say yes to get married, but they don't think about it, and they don't really think of how are they going to live together. I have one simple way of saying to you that decide today to stay together and grow all together. Because if you have that planted in your mind that you want to grow all together, definitely your mind will help you. I'm a strong believer in that you become what you think about. So if you think about that you're going to stay together for the rest of your life, your mind will help you to pursue that goal and you will have a happy life. And also, I would like to give a little advice. Be very handsome with praise. As soon as somebody, each one of you, do something good, be nice and praise them right away. Because that will build your feelings towards each other. And be very, very, should I say, difficult with, or don't give much criticism. Jump over the criticism, because when you criticize somebody, the only thing they think about is revenge. And you don't want to have that into a marriage. Praise each other and grow together for the rest of your life, because you have decided today that you want to grow all together. That is my message to you, and God bless you. And I really hope that you have found that this is the first day for the rest of your marriage life, and that you're going to do your best, both of you, to succeed in that marriage. Thank you very much.
Attorney Delanio Mauricio.
The message will be in accordance with law. The natural and the man-made law. The natural law is clear that once a man and a woman ties the knots, they should, as much as possible, stay together forever. While Reno has been married for 35 years, I have been in bondage for more than 4 years, and I have not been able to sleep my responsibility. But you see, it is our blood, the Malbar blood, of which Ruby is a part, having been a Malbar in the 4th generation. While my mother died last year at the age of 102, the last surviving child of a national hero, General Miguel Malbar, and no successor is in place to our heroes' exploits and bravery except the descendants. We cannot look into the others to do as much as we and Ruby is doing, because we owe it to our heritage. And that is the fate of those who were born along the bloodline of a hero. You have to excel in anything that you do. And the heroism that Ruby Mystica has been able to excel in all the endeavor that she has gone and served is worth the hero's blood that she carries. I can see that the Plant a Tree project has bear fruit, as many more are now planting trees because of their great courage to be able to reach out to the remotest area and fight for the environment, as Reno has been doing in Africa. And it is worthwhile saying as a wedding gift to my niece that we have finally been able to get the government to agree that the Citizens Crime Watch, of which you are the head of the junior CCW, has been designated by the National Park Development Committee to have a project known as Adopt a Park all over the country, as you have Adopt a Tree. Now, the Adopt a Park has been formed. And together, we will go all over the country and plant trees and open up the parks. The reason why parks are is very important in our life is because it is something that is refreshing and will take out the young ones from the computer shops, which has endangered their brain. As you might have seen, that they're so involved in the computer, work and games that they have refused or failed to savor the environment through the establishment of the parks. It is despicable, to say the least, that there are so many towns and even cities in the Philippines that do not have a park. So while we wallow in the talk that we have the biggest park in this part of the world, the Rizal Park, and yet so many municipalities do not even have a park. And if we have so many of this park, Ruby here or Mystica will set the pace in her wedding, that henceforth so many weddings will be held in the park as her legacy to a planting tree. So with this message, I only want to impart why Rino and myself have been able to survive decades of marriage, because we do not indulge in jealousy, because jealousy kills a relationship. There should be confidence, there should be trustworthiness with each other, and do away with the continuous wagging or I would say nagging that normally happens between husband and wife. But I know that Edwin is a good boy. I know that he will provide for his family. I know that he will be able to work well with your family as well as you with his family. And you have proven that you have the blood of a hero. So prove it with your marriage. Have a heroic marriage as you have today. Good luck to both of you.
Thank you so much, Attorney Rosel Alvarado. At this time, now let's hear the homily from Pastor.
Pastors are sorry.
The Lord is pleased to see you, Ruben and Ruby, having your wedding. This is a wise decision. You see, God instituted marriage, and He wants you to have this marriage as cited in Hebrews 34 to be honorable. You see, there are so many things in this world that you have to learn to get a marriage. And I will not give you the more, because of so many things I'm going to say, you might forget. So I have only to give you one thing to learn this afternoon. As what St. Paul said, that marriage is honorable. Now, in order for you to pursue this thing, since God had instituted marriage since the time of our first parents, Adam and Eve, God is the master of this. So, to accept that have to focus on God. There's no other way. Never focus to yourself. This is my standard. Like that. Okay. 8. In your engagement with Robbie, please accept her as she is. Relationship never gets improved by expectation. 4. As long as you are here in this world, you are never perfect. Someone says, if you are perfect, then you are already in heaven. So accept it and study. That's what I want. So send to you big. Don't stress so much on it. Study Him, learn of Him, relate Him to God, and in this way you'll be happy or proud. So that's one thing to learn. Expectation. Now let me go to these charges. Let me charge you, Edwin and Mystica. Remember that your future happiness is to be found in mutual consideration, patience, kindness, confidence, and affection. Edwin, it is your duty to love Ruby as yourself. Provide tender leadership and protect her from danger. Very important. Then, Ruby, it is your duty to treat Edwin with respect. You see the gap of your age? But respect is very important in your relationship. Support him and create a healthy, happy home. It is the duty of each of you to find the greatest joy in the company of the other. To remember that in both interest and affection, you are to be one and undivided. Edwin and Ruby, you have made a very serious and important decision in choosing to marry each other today. You are entering the sacred covenant as life partners in God. The quality of your marriage will reflect what you put into nurturing this relationship. You have the opportunity to go forward from this day to create a faithful, kind, and tender relationship. We bless you this day. However, it is up to you to keep the blessings flowing and every day of your lives together. But God will help you. Remember, in Christian living, the word of Jesus is very important. Without me, you can do nothing. We wish you for this wisdom, compassion, and constancy to create a peaceful sanctuary in which you can both grow in love. Very important. Now, I want you to stand. Face each other. Face each other. Holding hands.
Okay.
Edwin, after seeing this statement, just reply, yes, I do. Edwin, do you understand and accept this responsibility? And do you promise to do your very best each day to create a loving, healthy, and happy marriage? Edwin. Ravi, do you understand and accept this responsibility, and do you promise to do your very best each day to create a loving, healthy, and happy marriage?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. May the Lord bless you. Okay, let's... Harap mo na kayo dito sa...
Una tingin sa lahat ay isang malaking pagpapasalamat sa Panginoon na tayo ay binigyan ng magandang araw at magandang panahon upang tayo ay dumalo sa pakikipagsandibdib ni Edwin kay Ruby Rose at ganoon din naman kay Ruby Rose kay Edwin. Ngayong ika-15 ng Abril, taong kasalukuyan, dito sa isa sa mga function rooms ng Great Eastern Hotel o Aberdeen Port. Hinihiling ko na tayong lahat muna ay magsiupo.
Magsiupo po tayo.
Si Edwin ay nais ko pong tawagin. Ang iyong ama ay si Felicissimo. Siya po ba ay naririto? Si Felicissimo.
Okay, tatay.
Felicissimo Duwas. Magandang hapon po. At iyong puting ina na si Adelaida Damay. Magandang hapon po. At tayo naman po ay dumako naman sa magulang ni Ruby Rose. Ang kanyang ama na si Servando Villanueva.
Sa ngalan po ni Attorney Jose Juan Barbalegas Jr.
Eva, magandang hapon po. At nais ko rin pong tawagin na isa-isa ang inyong mga piniling sponsors. Unahin po natin kay Dr. John Ortiz Yope. Magandang hapon po, Doktor. At si MS Ellen Wu. Magandang hapon po. At si Ginong Marlon Villarojas.
Magandang hapon po.
At si MS Marisa Lim. At si Ginong Silodonio Bandera Castueras. At si MS Helen Sarco. So sa anin po ay apat ang naririto at yung dalawa na wala, sila po ay i-represent ng kanilang mga napili ring sponsor.
Dr. Ponsability, would you mind to come over, please?
Yaman po ang paglagda ay isa ring malaking bagay na kumakain ng panahon ay nais ko pong tawagin isa-isa na yung mga principal sponsors na lumagda sa Certificate of Marriage ni Edwin at Ruby Rose bago po tayo dumako kay Edwin at kay Ruby Rose. Kaya tayo po ay muling babalik sa ating upuan. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po. Okay, may I call on our sponsor? Okay, may I call on Ma'am Ellen Song? Okay, thank you very much.
Kanina ay nagbigay na ng mga pangaral ang ating butihing Pastor Sarko na galing sa Panginoon. Magkaroon din tayo ng kaunting sermon sapagkat hindi natin itinaraos itong kasalang ito ngayong ika-15 ng Abril taong kasalukuyan dito sa Aberdeen Court na ganun lamang pala napakadali. Na matapos natin ilagdaan ng Certificate of Marriage, may konting diferensya, konting pangayan, ay madali rin pala tayong tumalikod sa ating commitment. Na ibig sabihin, ang pag-ibig pala natin ay ganun lamang ang kahulugan. Kaya Edwin, hinihiling ko Edwin and Ruby Rose, tayo ay tumayo. Edwin, unahin natin sa lalaki sapagkat ang ating kultura, ang lalaki ang talagang siyang nagsisikap, nagpapakita ng kasipagan, kabaitan, lahat ng kabutihan upang siya ay ituring na isang mabuting asawang lalaki. Yan ang kultura ng Pilipino. Sa probinsya nga ay nagsisibak pa ng kahoy, nag-iigib, naglilinis ng bahay, nagwawalis ng bakuran upang ang mga magulang ng babae, mga kamag-anak, kapatid ay kanya rin makuha ang simpatya. Hindi lamang yung babae kanyang iniirog. Kaya Edwin, sa mga sandaling ito, sa harapan ng inyong mga magulang, kamag-anak, kaibigan, mga piling panauhin, ay marami ang pinag-uutos sa atin ng Panginoon. Subalit, isa lamang ang ating tumbukin na siya nating dadalhin sa ating puso at isipan. Yan ay may bumanggit na rito kanina. Ang sabi niya ay, love begets love. Kaya tayo ay sumentro doon sa pag-ibig. Ano ba ang kahulugan ng pag-ibig? Kung ito ay kukunin natin ang paliwanag sa Biblia, yan ay mahaba sa aklat ng Korinto. Subalit, ang pag-ibig nating tinataglay sa puso at na nakikita sa ating karakter. Sa kasalukuyan, meron tayong issue tungkol sa karakter. Ang relasyon ng asawa sa kanyang asawa, meron tayong issue sa kasalukuyan. Subalit, hindi tayo sasali doon sa mga issue na yon sapagkat tayo ay maninindigan sa ating sarili. Ang ating karakter ay ating iingatan na palagi nating pinagmamasdan. Sabi nga, the first duty of a gentleman is to know his character. Bibigyan ba niya ng upuan ng babae? Kailangan niya pa bang alamin? Bibigyan ba niya ng pagkain? Ang humingi at gutom tayo sa pag-ibig. Ang pag-ibig mo kay Ruby Rose, yan ay iyong pagkakaingatan. Hindi lamang ngayong April 15, 2013 o hindi lamang doon sa mga nakalipas na araw o kailan mo siya nakilala, si Ruby Rose, kung hindi, iyan ay iyong dadalhin habang ikaw ay nabubuhay. Paano mo may papakita sa magulang ni Ruby Rose ang iyong pag-ibig sa kanya? Meron pa rin tayong issue na isa. Sabi, prominenteng tao rin ang na-involved. Buttered white. Kaya Edwin, rerendahan natin ang ating kamay, ang ating katawan, ang ating lakas, na iyon ay hindi matitikman ni Ruby Rose. Napansin ko malaki yung dito mo. Alam ko, nag-gym ka. Ha? Pero yung muscle mo ay hindi yan nakareserba para kay Rose. Ha? Yan ay para sa iyong kalusugan. Ano pa? Ang taglay mo sa iyong karakter na pinakikita mo, nakikita ng kapitbahay, nakikita ng iyong mga kaibigan, nakikita ng magulang ni Ruby Rose, nakikita ng kanyang mga kamag-anak na talagang si Ruby Rose ay yung iniibig. Ano pa halimbawa na si Ruby Rose isang hapon nakaupo sa sulok, dumating yung kanyang kaibigan, nakita siya, lumuluha sa sulok. Bakit? Bakit ka nasa sulok at lumuluha ka? Napakasakit kasi ng mga binitiwang salita ni Edwin. Hindi ko makayanan. Kaya, Edwin, rerendahan din natin yung ating sasabihin. Dahil hindi lamang sa katawan nasasaktan ng tao, kung hindi sa kanyang mga sinasabi. Kaya bago lumabas, yung ating pananalita, ito ay sinala na ng ating pag-iisip. At kung walang isyong ganon sa inyong pagsasama, ay walang posible. Kaya sabi nga, nothing is impossible to God. Dahil yung karakter mo at yung iyong pagkatao ang nagdadala niyan ay sa totoo hindi ikaw, hindi ang Panginoon. Ikaw, tumako tayo kay Ruby Rose. Madalas kong sabihin doon sa mga kabataan na kinasal ko, sa babae o sa lalaki, pero tumumbok tayo sa babae. Kung nagkataon na maganda ang babae, maganda ang hanap buhay, madiskarte, maraming kaibigan, kilala sa lipunan, magpasalamat ang babae sapagkat marami siyang katangian na ibinigay ng Panginoon. Sapagkat kung yun ay gagamitin ng babae para sa kanyang kapakanan, ang mangyayari, matatrato niya ang lalaki ng wala sa lugar. Kung nabasa o nabalitaan sa 4 na sulok ng Pilipinas na ang padre di pamilya ngayon na ang nasusunod sa loob ng tahanan ay ang babae. Lalaki pa rin. Pero meron kayo na research na babae na ang nagpapalamat ng ating tahanan ay paki-update mo lang ako. Bigyan mo ko ng kopya. Baga ako'y naatraso na sa aking sa aking kaalaman. Kaya tayo ngayon ay dadako sa personal na tanungan. Umpisa natin sa lalaki. Dahil gusto ko lalaki siyang nagpupursigi. Dahil sa kasalukuyan, ang babae ang nagre-regalo sa lalaki para huwag siyang iwanan ng lalaki. Pero hindi yun ang dapat na maging kultura natin. Sa lalaki pa rin, na siya yung nagpupunyagi, nagpapawis, nagpuputput, na sapatos, mapupunta doon sa tinitira ng babae. Kaya Edwin, ngayong 15 ng Abril, taong kasalukuyan, dito sa function room ng Great Eastern Hotel o Aberdeen Court, sa harapan ng inyong mga paying sponsors, magulang, kamag-anak at kaibigan, ay ikinukumit mo ba ang iyong sarili na iibigin mo si Ruby Rose sa hirap at ginhawa, sa buhay at kamatayan? Huwag kang nervyusin. At ganon din naman ikaw, Ruby Rose, ikinukumit mo ba ang iyong sarili dito sa harap ng inyong mga magulang, kaibigan, mga kamag-anak at film sponsors na iibigin mo si Edwin sa hirap at ginhawa, sa buhay at kamatayan?
Opo.
Sapagkat kayong dalawa ay mananampalataya ng Seventh-day Adventist, subalit tayo ay nasa demokrasyang lipunan, baka kayo ay naggayak ng dalawang singsing. Meron ba kayong ginayak? Kaya tayo po ay umupong muli. Kaya tayo naman ngayon, matapos lagdaan ng inyong piling sponsors ang inyong certificate of marriage, tayo ngayon ay lalagda naman. Unahin natin sa lalaki. Pag-akyat ko ron, parang merong sumasabay sa akin na babae, nagmamadali, mukha pa nadaba. Meron bang tumututol? Wala. Wala tumututol. Kaya, Edwin, lagdaan na natin yung ating certificate of marriage. Malaya mo na malalagdan, walang tumututol.